In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download files from iCloud Drive to your device. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Files app. If you can't find Files app over your home screens, probably that app is not installed on your device, so you can open up App Store and then search for Files. That is official Apple app to manage files on your device and on iCloud Drive. So open up Files app and then navigate to iCloud Drive. You can hit right here at Browse and then select iCloud Drive. As you can see, I got a picture here which is stored on iCloud but not on my device. As you can see, it has that cloud icon. That means that it is saved on iCloud but not on device. So first off, I need to save it to my device. So I'm gonna tap and hold at that picture and then hit at Download Now. That will download this picture to my device, and now I can move on to the next step. So if I want to move this picture somewhere in another folder, for example, I can just hold down at that picture and then select Move. Then I can select any folder on iCloud Drive or at my device, so I can open up, for example, on my iPhone, and then I can save it into backup folder just by hitting right here at Copy. So that copies this file right here. So as you can see, I have just saved this file to my iPhone. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I'll see you in the next one.